Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're going to be installing today is the new Mighty Mule MMK 200. This is a wireless keypad. If you watched the other videos, it's for our new Mighty Mule 371W gate opener that we just installed, and also the MMS 100 wireless connector. So what we're going to do, so I found a mounting point for this, and I'm going to mount it right here, so that way when we drive up, we can just go ahead and press the code in if need be, or guests, they can come in, go ahead and press it. But this is what we're going to be doing today, and I already cut out some boards, and we're going to mount it just like this, and we're going to come off of here, so that way when you pull up, you just unroll your window and go ahead and press the key in and go ahead and get into the gate. So let's get this mounted up here. Alright, so that's on there nice and secure. And this is going to be our mounting plate for the wireless keypad. Alright, so that's on there nice and secure. That ain't going anywhere. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, comes with some screws for mounting, comes with our instructions, and the keypad itself. Alright, so let's go ahead and mount this up on here. And I'm going to use one of these screws for the top piece here, and then I'm using one of my outdoor deck screws, a big beefier one for the bottom, to really secure it in there. Now for the bottom here, you're going to need a tiny screwdriver, and this is also where your batteries are, and it comes with 3 AAA batteries with it, and then that's where we're going to secure the other screw. I'm just using an outdoor deck screw here. That ain't going anywhere now. So now we go ahead and this just pops right back in. And you got to push up on this when you put the screw back in. And this is how you'll change your batteries on it too. All right, so that's on there nice and secure. That's all set. Let's go ahead and program this. Okay, so in order to program this, you're gonna press and hold this button right here, your learn button, until it illuminates and the buzzer sounds. And while that's lit, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna program a 1 to 6 digit code in here. So we'll put that in now. Okay, so after we pressed the learn button, we went ahead and punched in our code on this. And this is your start stop button. It doesn't say it, but that's what you need to press after you push in your 1 to 6 digit code. And then you're gonna press and hold that, and then you'll hear another beep. And that's how you program your codes. So just to show you, I'll go ahead and push in my code here again. And there we go, it's working. And it'll open right up. So now, let's go ahead and we can close it, push our code in. There we go. All right, so let's try this from another point of view. Go ahead and pull up with the vehicle. And I made it, this is my smallest vehicle, so I can still reach it from here, and then it's also high up enough that I'm not trying to reach down with the truck or any of the other bigger vehicles. So we'll go ahead and press in our code here. There we go. All right. Got a pig. Hey, Peppa. Hey, Peppa Pig. All right, and my gate opener's on a timer, so once you get in, it takes a little bit, and then it'll go ahead and close. There we go. So we're all set here now. We got the new keypad hooked up and installed. So all right, guys, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.